Una yalam kaliang persya Mukul Sangma ula pedang subhai karai ban persya ya uranium lakin tu ke jing Kren kabayai ne baka senta ban pentikna bakan om dan kanu ke Jingtih ne pen kre ya uranium ha Meghalaya.
Mr. Speaker, sir, this issue has been, the overall proposed uranium mining in the state has been opposed tooth and nail by the people of the state. Ever since this proposal was embarked upon by government of India, for whatever reason, we don't want to elaborate on that, and it has been very difficult to navigate for many of the government because of the pressure that was forthcoming to agree to this proposed mining of uranium. And we have seen many unfortunate incidents of misgiving, mistrust, lack of trust pertaining to this. And it became also a political tool for many political parties also. And many political party obviously will weaponize anything that is connected with the sentiment of the people. And nevertheless, having said this, I'm also happy. I would like to put on record my sincere thanks to the then government of India when our illustrious late Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ji was in office. We took cognizance of the sentiments of the state, the people, and elaborately discussed it a number of times. Because even before I took charge in 2010, the pressure was so much. And being part of the government then, I could see and to be able to withstand. So I had to have quite a number of sittings, but there was a magnanimity from the side of the then Prime Minister. He personally was pursuing this. In fact, number of letters are all on record. How many letters used to come? But then with utmost sense of sincerity, when we articulate the sentiments of the people, keeping in mind various factors, these also have been factored in this resolution. The size of the state, the terrain, the environment, how we are considered as the state receiving the highest rainfall. So it has to be seen from genuine concern, not as, something which is being surrendered only because of the other reasons. It is not. It is a reality. In the state of Meghalaya, any mining of uranium can have serious impact on the overall well-being of our people without having to elaborate on the ramifications